Hi there, everyone. Roberto here with Top One Marketing again with another Canva tutorial video. And in this video, we are going to show you how to create your own custom countdown timer. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So we're not talking about one of the countdown timers that we showed you in one of our previous videos where you can go to the video section and put countdown, input in the search box countdown timer, and it will give you some pre-made, preset countdown timers that you can choose from. No, we're talking about a custom countdown timer that you can design 100% yourself. You can choose the background. You can choose any elements. If you want an animated element, you can choose the style of number that you want to use, whether it's static or an animated number. However you please, you can create this countdown timer custom for yourself. Very easy, and we're going to show you. So I got two examples right here. Now I ask you not to judge the first video, because the first video I realized after the fact that I did not align the numbers properly, so they're going to be shifting a little bit, when it counts down. All right. The second one, I think I lined them up, pretty good. But they're numbers, so the font, the number font, changes. So it's not too noticeable. But so here's the first example. See? Pretty nice, right? So here's the second one. So as you can see, the first one I made with a static number, and the second one I made with an animated number and no background. All right. So let's show you how to do this real quick. So what we're going to do is, let's go over here, right? Here's the first video. So what I did was I created the first page, and I chose a background, and I chose an animated element that I wanted to use. You don't have to use an animated element. You can just use, a graphic background, or you can just make it just plain with the number. But I got the background color. I've got the animation. The number I don't have to put in there yet. And so what I do is I go to the timing, and I set the timing as 1 second. So 1 second per page. So my aim was a 15-second countdown timer. So I'm going to create 15 pages, and each page is 1 second. Okay. So now one thing I do want you to be aware of or notice is that the more pages you have, the shorter the video is going to get. So even though right here it says 15 seconds, when the video is downloaded and produced, this video is actually 14.9 or 14.8 seconds. So I lost a tenth or 2/10 of a second. I believe it doesn't make a difference. Those tenths don't make a difference. It's a timer, and it looks pretty close. But if you are meticulous or it bothers you, then I would advise you to make the timing somewhere between 1.1 second to 1.2 second to kind of, make it up to par, if you believe that the video ends up being shorter than the amount of time that you desired. Okay. So once I set the timing, what I do is I duplicate how many pages I need. So if I need 15 seconds, then I need 15 pages. And then I go and I look for numbers. And so how to look for numbers? You go to elements, and you go into the search bar and you put numbers. But one thing I do want to show you real quick is in this little area right here, you can specify searching images that only images that are animated, okay, or images that are just static, or both. All right. So as you can see, I am searching for animated images, okay, and so right here, if you scroll down, you will see, all of the animated images that are available in the elements section. You can see I used this one for the background here. And and then you can specify whatever element you're looking for. Arrow, just put arrow in the search bar. Calendar, whatever, just put it in search bar. Like I'm gonna put numbers. So I want to find numbers. So you can find static numbers or animated numbers. So as you can see here, I chose where's the number I chose? But anyways, let's pick a different one. So let's choose this number 9. So you can see the number 9. Now I want you to notice that once you choose this number or whatever element, Canva does something that's special. It gives you a magic recommendation. So you click see all and it will give you all of the relevant numbers to make it easier for you to find the other numbers that are relevant to the one that you picked. All right. So that's how you do that. And so once you're done adding all your numbers, then you can add some music if you want, or you don't have to add no music. And then what you do is you just download it as an MP4. And so that's how you do that. Let's see the other one. So same thing, right? This is a clear background with just the animated number. And so as you can see, there's a bunch of animated numbers here, okay? Well, again, once you pick the number, Canva will give you a magic recommendation to make it easier for you to find the other number that you're going to need. And so again, start with the first page, set it as 1 second, and then just duplicate the pages to the amount of seconds that you want to do the countdown timer. And then go ahead and just start putting in your numbers. Now, one thing I figured out, I figured out when I did this one, is that I have the page right here. If I just click the number, it will automatically center. So I just don't move it. Then I go to the next page and I pick the number, and it will automatically center it. So all these numbers are automatically centered, right? And so here's another one right here, same thing. So you pick the amount of pages that you want, and then you start putting the numbers in there. And so you can see here, watch this one. I've got this one kind of pops or pulses, right? And then I'll show you real quick. These numbers to here, they pulse, and then from here on down, I think they slide up or something like that. Baseline. So the baseline, it slides up. So you could do these kind of animations as well to your numbers. So you could do just a clear background with the number, and you can just do the countdown timer like that. And so, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully this helped. You kind of figure out a way to have a countdown timer for the beginning of your live stream or your videos or whatever it may be, and you're finding it hard to find appealing countdown timers. There's a bunch of countdown timers out there, but they're bland and they're plain, and you've been wanting to create something that is yours. Well, this is the way to do it. So if this video helped you, give us a thumbs up, a like, a share, subscribe to our channel so that the next time we come up with one of these awesome videos, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.